guys! Welcome back to another Felipe's Creations video. Today Felipe couldn't make it, but that's okay. Today I have a special guest and her name is
Maribel.
And for today's video, we're going to be doing Do I Know My Best Friend Challenge. So let's get started. So Maribel, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so what pretty much we did, it was that we prepared some questions that we're supposed to know about each other, but
At the end of the video, whoever gets the most questions wrong gets to eat a raw egg.
So Maribel, let's play paper, rock, scissors to see who goes first.
Okay.
Paper, rock, scissors. Paper, rock, scissors. Okay, who goes first? You go first? Oh, okay. So my first question is...
When's my birthday?
May 16th.
Damn. Okay. Damn, you actually know my birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn.
What's my favorite dog animal? Like,
You should know this. Oh, should I? Yes, I told you before. You're fine.
A husky?
mm-hmm.
Okay, good. I was about to say. Okay, my next question would be, how did we met?
In 6th grade, in Miss Question's classroom.
Damn. I knew these were too easy.
What's my birthday?
September 3rd, 2004.
Yeah.
Okay, so that actually know your birthday. That's good. The next question would be...
Who was my favorite teacher in 8th grade?
In 8th grade? Ew, it's easy. You had 2. I had 2.
Did I?
Was he 10?
What do you call it? People could answer. Whenever I was sitting in front of you and then you said, like, could have to my brother's Remember the joke? Oh, I know. That was funny. I remember también cuando when we were doing the reading passage. Mm-hmm. You remember when you were reading it? That was funny. Yeah. Okay. Who's next?
Me. What's my favorite song?
Your favorite song? Uh-oh. Should I? Do I know the song? Yeah. Is it... I don't know that. Okay, hold on. Is it a Spanish song? Oh, was it me? Okay, hold on. No. Okay, no, espérate. Okay, it's...
¿Mi meta contigo?
No.
What is it?
Con tus besos.
Whatever.
Wait, I don't know that song. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Yes, you do. Okay, whatever. ¿Ya dónde voy?
What do I listen the most?
Spanish music.
Like?
Like banda.
This is not good. Okay, so it's your turn, right?
Mm-hmm. What elementary did I go to?
Elementary.
Yeah.
Okay. Damn. Okay.
What was the day that I was in the car accident?
No, Petalito. You don't remember that?
You should.
Think of a date. No? Wait, hold on. Was it...
In November?
Remember what?
A specific day too?
Hey, yo.
18,
You were so close.
16, 17, 19. Wait, November 19th? I got the date wrong, the month right?
I guess. So I guess you didn't say the date, so I guess it's wrong. So that means I have one wrong and you have one wrong.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So your turn?
Okay. How old was I whenever I fell out of the car?
Oh my god, that's a... Okay, how old were you? Okay. You were...
3? Yeah?
3.
You remember? Oh my god, that story time was like when you opened the door and then your mom left. She drove off. Who picked you up? My mom. She drove off and then like the trailer that was like gonna come towards me and her and she, I don't know how she noticed because she was far. That's weird. I know. You remember how I made up? Oh, so you were on the freeway? Yeah, I remember when we were at practice for your 15 and we were sitting right there in the eating. And then, oh, you were like, oh, you were on the freeway. Oh, I remember that. Okay, the next question is...
What's my favorite color? Oh, you know that.
Right, 2. Yeah.
So what is it?
Pink and blue.
Yeah. My favorite color is pink and blue. That's my favorite.
What's my favorite color?
Blue? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, I don't know if you know this one, but oh well.
What's my favorite TV series?
Wait, hold on. That's a series?
Anatomy? What is it? Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah, but you said it wrong.
Oh,
Damn, you had 2 wrong, I have 1 wrong. You had 2 and I have 1. Oh no. Yeah, right, yeah. That's good.
No,
okay,
it's not.
yes it is.
No, it's not.
Yes it is.
No, it's not.
Yes it is.
No, it's not.
Your turn.
And what grade did I get my braces?
That's not good. What grade?
In 6th grade, you already had them. I think. Did you? Did I? Did you? Did I? Oh my god. What grade did you have braces? Do you have them in 6th grade? In 7th grade, you had them. I know that for sure. 6th grade? I don't know. 7? No. Hold on. Okay, no. It's not. They can be 7.
5th grade? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I hate you.
I was like, in 6th grade, I think you did have them, but I don't know. Oh my god. That's good. Okay. Oh, you know this one. What's my favorite cousin's name?
Valeria.
Yeah, you know that one.
Okay. What was my first dog's name?
The one that you threw in the couch? That's the only one I know about. I told you before. You should remember this. I only know the one that you threw in the couch. I don't know that. You should know. I told you before. Oh, only like 1 time? Many times. Your first dog? Yeah. Coco? No. No. Oh no. What was it?
Rambo.
Was that the black one? Anyway. No, which one was the one that you threw in the couch, Jessie? What did she like? I don't know, Coco. That was Coco. Which one? The one that you threw in the couch? But my first dog was Rambo. Yeah, I don't know that one. I didn't know that one.
Okay, so the other one is, what's my shoe size?
3.
This is not good.
What's my favorite food?
Your favorite food? Like, okay. What's your favorite food? You should know. Your favorite food? Oh my god. Pizza? No.
What is it?
Pasta.
Oh my god. So wait, how many do you have wrong?
2 and you have 2.
2 and 2?
Yeah, 2 and 2.
Okay. So the other one, oh, this is my last question.
Yeah.
Okay, what was my first video that I did by myself in the radio?
By yourself? It's easy. What's that? It's easy. By yourself? Like you had nothing? By yourself? Look at that. No.
Damn, you don't see my videos?
No.
Wow. What a true friend.
I'm a true friend.
No?
You made a cake?
No.
Ooh, that's good.
It was a eat it or wear it.
Oh, I see that one.
You see that one? So that's it for mine.
Okay. What's my shoe size?
8.5.
Okay, good.
Okay, so you have 2, no.
3.
You have 3 now, 2. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Who's gonna eat the raw egg? You. Oh my god! You're eating the raw egg!
That's the way to do this. Who wanted the raw egg? You? Yeah, that was middle, that's why. Okay, guys.
Oh my god, okay. Okay, I can talk! Oh my god! And you're not?
Okay, guys, so she's done. So we'll be right back to cook together. But I haven't hit it.
Okay guys, so she lost. Let's bring that egg for she can eat it. Okay, Maribel. So go ahead. Go! It's not that bad.
It's not that bad that you do it.
No, exactly. It's good protein. Protein. Go!
I don't want to.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad, then you try it.
No. Ay, don't do that. No. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, no.
Maribel.
Agua.
Ten. ¡Qué asco! How was it?
Disgusting.
Okay, guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope y'all liked it.
I didn't.
You didn't like it? It was fun. Okay.
Yeah, for you, but not for me.
It was difficult, but it was good. It was good though. You ate the egg, well, kind of.
You try it then.
I'm gonna try it. Egg.
Dad, this is not a good thing. Okay, this is not good. Okay, okay. Oh my God, this is not good. Hey, but wait, this is not part of this. You sure it's not disgusting? Okay, not even. That was red. That was red. Ew. You should move. Put that as well. Right there. Okay, that's cool. Okay, hold on. Ew. Okay, that's it. You disgusting. Ay, no, qué asco. Ay, no. Esto está bueno video.
Espérate. Yeah, that's gonna come out. That's not gonna do it. Alright guys, this was it for today's video. Don't forget to give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the links for social media will be down below. Thanks Maribel for coming by.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome, and we'll see you to the next time. Peace.